ATV Club. Well, they don't sound stock, but they're stock. We've had Kenny go through the wall, make the decision, get it as fair as we can. They're getting all the rules. Special thanks to the Grand Forks ATV Club, Projects and Events Committee, and all members involved. Thanks a lot, ATV Club. The Grand Forks Fall Fair Committee and all the volunteers to help put this on. The City of Grand Forks for the water truck that was on the track. We thank you, and we'll probably need you again. Community Futures, Job Creation Program, and the participants. B&F Sales and Service and Clyde's Pub for making sure the Grand Forks ATV Club Mower ran this year. Thank you, thank you. Hey, slow it down there, number 99. He's coming on hard. Hey, I seen that. You grabbed the gear, Dustin. And another one. Okay, side by side, boys. Other people we'd like to thank is the Grand Forks community for the support and the participation. We appreciate it on behalf of all the lawnmower racers. Okay, they're almost side by side. Run, starter man, run. All right. Got Dustin to slow it down just in time.
Oh, can you die again?
Go! Neck break speed, they're out of the hole! Hey, that wasn't nice laughing. Come on now. They're going hard. This isn't what I expected from Dustin. You watch next year, Dustin will come back, you know, the mean and you watch. Okay, now Dustin, go!
That's all out? Really?
Hey, at least they're over here.
Really, that's it?
He's even sporting the VP Racing stickers, sponsored by Clyde's.
Find another gear.
I don't know, these two better won't come to my place and watch me cut grass. I do it faster. No. Boy, I'm glad I haven't got your jobs. How many of those kids out here want to race next year if we do it again? Any racers out there? Some dads must have lawnmowers that need to race out here. You combine the two, and then you're going to see what's coming up. He almost lost control right there, honestly. Hit that rock.
Find another gear, dude. Like,
How many times did you get lapped?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now what? It ain't going to be like this for the next one. I think I have time to get across. Boy, that was close. Dustin, go! Go, Dustin, go!
this is painful.
Oh, he's got a fan club over there.
Huh? What?
It's gotta have another gear, what do you think? It's gotta.
Yeah.
He's coming! You better put the pedal down, buddy! Oh, he's got it! You gotta knock! It goes faster! You gotta knock! Get your head down! Airstream! Holy man! Put your head down! Oh, he's curved up! Gonna make a move on the outside! Can he do it? Come on, ladies and gentlemen! Cheer him on! He's making a pass! Yeah! He did it! He did! He lapped them! Took 25 laps, but he lapped them. Stop the madness. Now you know why we started with the stock. Because when the modified come out, look out the way.
Yeah, these are the stock ones. They didn't modify them.
Oh, yeah.
I can't believe this guy, this Dave, he's got time to wave to the audience under the stressful racing conditions out here.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he's gonna try to find that next gear. Oh, spun the tires, you're out of here. Oh, he found the throttle yet. If I was in better shape, I'd get a push lawnmower out here. Self-propelled, I bet you I could take them. Can I get one of the track officials to push this tractor? Get him going a little bit? Oh, the white flag's out, boys and girls. Oh, it's been put away. I promise you, that's when the modifieds come on. Things will change drastically.